I wake up at 5 a.m. I wake up at 5 a.m. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I put my shoes on. I put my shoes on. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I go to office. I go to office. I attended the meeting. I attended the meeting. I prepare lunch. I prepare lunch. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I read book every day. I read book every day. I watch TV. I watch TV. I draw pictures. I draw pictures. I water the plants. I water the plants. I check my email. I check my email. I make plans. I make plans. I finish work at 5 p.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. I exercise after dinner. I exercise after dinner. I sleep at 9 p.m. I sleep at 9 p.m.